Can you name these 10 basic farm animals just by their missing letters in 90 seconds?
The average score in this quiz is 8 out of 10. Each one is harder than the last one. Question 7, where the real test begins. First one.
Dog.
Second one.
Cow.
Third one.
Horse.
Fourth one.
Duck.
Fifth one.
Goat.
Sixth one.
Rabbit.
Seventh one.
Chicken.
Eighth one.
Sheep.
Ninth one.
Parrot.
Get ready for your last question. Save this quiz and don't forget to tell me your score in the comments. Last one.